Hi guys, it's Chetz, and in this video I'll show you how to connect the DJI OSMO Action and stream to Facebook. Now, since Facebook uses a very complex keys for streaming, we'll need to use an application that will let you copy and paste. So we'll do something in the desktop computer, and then we'll take the RTMP server and the key, and we'll use Google Keep to paste it there, and through the phone we'll copy it and paste it to the DJI Mimo. It sounds complex, but it's not. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, this is my Facebook page. So let's say I'm creating a new post. I'm clicking those dots, live video, and we'll get a notification probably, which will, right now, I already disabled it, but basically it will ask you if you want to use the webcam and everything on the desktop. I disabled it. We're using the stream key. So this is the permanent part. That's the URL for the RTMP server. That's the streaming server from Facebook. We're going to use it, and we'll need a key. Now, this key is changing every 5 days or so. You'll see here what's the key here. So basically, what I am doing is I'm taking Google Keep. And let's delete it. You're going to keep.google.com and you'll have it. As long as you have a Gmail account, you'll have a Google Keep. Now let's create a new note. Let's delete the old note. And let's create a new note. We'll call it RTMP. So we can find it in our phone. Let's go here. We'll copy the first part, the server URL. And then we'll append the second part. We'll click copy here. And we'll go to Google Keep. And we'll append it here. So as you can see, this is the full key. Let's click close. And as you can see, it's waiting for our live video from the camera. So let's go back to the phone, and I'll need to unlock it. Okay, and let's go to DJI Mimo. Let's connect the camera. I already selected the Wi-Fi connection of the camera. And I'll scroll to live stream. I'll click the RTMP. And now, first it will try to connect to the Wi-Fi or your hotspot. The camera is going to connect, not your phone. So this part, as long as you just wait a second. If you already configured it, it will connect automatically. And now we're going to select Google Keep. I think, yeah, I have it already here. And this is my key. So what I'm going to do is basically click here. And I'm going to drag all the way so I have all this part. Click copy. Okay, it's copied to clipboard. Let's go back to DJI. I'll delete everything. And now I'm just clicking with the mouse here. In my case, you just click with your finger, long click, and you should see this. Just paste as a plain text. Let's click here for 4 megabit and start live stream. As you heard, it's connected, and you can see here connecting live video. Now this will take a few seconds. It might, as you can see, it's working, but it might go back, go out, and it might stop and restart. It happened to me, especially with the hotspot. But as you can see, this streaming giving a bit more information. It's 720p, 2.4 megabit. It depends on the picture and the motion and everything. Audio, I just muted it. That's the AAC codec, and you can see here the event. It's running. So basically right now all you have to do is select who to share and say whatever you want, category, and go live. Since I've selected only me, I should see the chat. And this is the chat. Hello and welcome, DJI customers. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Hope it's easy to configure, and I hope DJI will fix those bugs soon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm planning to do something about Instagram and this camera. I'm not sure it's possible, but I'll try.